say that. There's only 2 more left, okay? 2 more. 2 more left. 1. I'm home. So then they walk up to me and they said, "Why is there hair in my food?" Oh, that's Toby's hair. He sheds.
Will win. Unless he can bluff his opponent into backing down.
Okay, well, I tried to get the star of the show to come out here and say bye, but he hates me right now. By the way, for those of you who are wondering, that up there, I'm not gonna show it to you because it has my full name, but that up there is my high school diploma for those of you who have been watching my Living with OCD series. Talk about that. Can you see it? I can show it to you though, but it's there. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every Monday and Thursday until March 21st. I will have a new episode of Living with OCD up at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And on Thursdays, I kind of just do whatever. So if you have any suggestions for me on what you would like to see me do for my Thursday video, please leave it in the comments below. And do you do any of these things with your cat? If you have one, do you have a cat? Leave it in the comments below. You can also tweet me. I am on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. All the information is in the description below. You can tweet me, ask me your questions using the hashtag AskTanya. Please share this video with people you know who have a cat. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I will see you on Monday. Wow, I have a newfound respect for vloggers because my arm hurts. Again with the dark lips. Oh my god. I kind of look like Miranda right now. Hey guys, it's me, Miranda. He hates